If you're a serious artist who's tired of waiting on expensive engineers and you want to turn your music into real streams, followers, income, I created a step-by-step program that teaches you how to mix, master, produce, and promote your own songs from start to finish, and how to create content that not only grows your following, but actually drives streams, plays, and opportunities. I'm Raleigh, an artist, a producer, a songwriter, and a mixing and mastering engineer. And I help independent artists across multiple genres rack up millions of streams and grow their fan bases that actually engage and buy, all while keeping complete control of their sound and brand. With over a decade of music production and 2 decades of just being a musician who studied all types of genres, I've cultivated a proven system that turns music into attention and attention into career growth. I know exactly what it takes to go from a raw idea to a release that's not only industry quality, but also promoted in a way that works with today's algorithm-driven world. By the end of this program, you'll be able to mix, master, and produce your songs and your ideas to industry standard quality, release with confidence, and create content that brings in real fans, and turn that attention into whatever you want for your music career, whether it's more streams, fans, revenue, or opportunity. Join now and let's get your music sounding professional, your content working for you, and your career moving forward.